Okay. Man, pa-stop naman sila, man.
Practice.
Pasok lahat ng engage nila.
Dikit po. Balik na, babalik.
Easy. Okay, north, ready sa north. Fake. Go fake. Okay, on crown, in 3, and 2, and 1, beat. Putang ina, ako yung na-stop. Come back west. So, yung east nila looking yung east looking. Come back west. Southwest. Sige lang, southwest. Reds yan sila sa isa't isa. Nahirapan din yan. Big balls natin, i-soak natin isang side para hindi nila ma-distinguish kung sino-sino sila. Kasi tangin na, alata namang tag team to.
Angat ka pa onti dito, mga kay.
North side, sige. Feeling ko mas madali i-push to si east side, si east cabin. Ang hirap i-push
natin yan, i-hit tayo from north eh.
Oo.
May mga bedrock sila. Sa scavenge.
Wala.
Mahirapan.
Wala tayong
Engage, boss mo. Engage
Ay,
sila.
East pala nilasan. East. Come on.
Night helm.
Paki-cancel din to.
Night helm.
East side deep. Shallow. In 3, 2, and 1. On me. Deep.
Please.
Defensive sa front. Stabilize lang. Easy west. Look north. Look north. Soft. 2 and 1. On me. Puntang ina, hindi na-catch. Come back west. Push west. Northwest. Push yung northwest. Push yung northwest. Push. Northwest tayo. North. Another choke dito. Big choke tayo dito. Defensive kay device. East side in kay device. East side. Okay, look east side. East side. Shallow. East side. Shallow. In 3. Go. In 3, 2, and 1. On crown. Okay, defensive sa front. Come back west. Easy lang. Come back west. Sige lang, Good. Yeah, kapak. Okay, east side. May demons pa tayo. How many? Ready? Okay,
Sure.
Demons nga. Para makita ko. Come west. Isa na lang.
Dalawa.
Come west.
Tatlo.
Sorry.
Harap para
Kailangan ko
Eh.
Come west. Okay. No. North side tayo. North side.
Going back na.
North. Backline lang ay hit natin. Come south.
Nagigayin ka para di matap.
Paano, please? Yung titangs nila. Yung stop linya. East side. East side,
Lowing.
Defensive. Okay. Down, 3, and 2, and 1. Inside natin. Come north. Ready demons.
Ang sabi ng galing mo dito, Bobo.
Maniga, north na. Everyone north. Kailangan nyo umalis yan muna. Okay. Good. Man, be alert sa engage nila, man, be alert. Ito, pa-cancel na ito,
Binonch ko sa autism.
Almost na. Okay.
Disregard sa US, mukhang katalangan.
Tambay sa bit. Layuan nyo sa I. Come northwest. Kung kaya nyo i-stop ditang sila para makapush agad kami. Hindi lang puro defense yung i-stop, ha. Unahan nyo na makancel out ditang sila para di makagalaw.
Yo, inching up sa autism.
North side pa rin tayo. Sa wall. Sa camps banda. North. Pag umengage sila, we full soak in. Use and W's. Okay.
South inching up, South inching.
Okay. Come by side a bit. Ano to?
Defensive.
Defensive. Comes out.
Ortiz.
Dead RD. and 2, and 1. On me.
Going northeast. Going northeast.
Come west. May demons. Sige, come west. Keep walking west. Keep walking west.
Ano pa yung counter? Nagiging mo.
Keep walking west. It is a front line natin, east side,
Gusto mo turn?
Play together, east side.
Nagiging siya, E. Nagiging siya, E.
Look southeast, southeast, east, deep, fast, putang ina, nag-GA ako. Ano, shallow na lang, east, shallow east, ready lang, shallow east, in 3, and 2, on 1, on me, litang, come back west agad, west agad,
Going nga, E.
west agad, papanish nga nung mga cheater dun sa, west, isa lang, paluin nyo na one time,
Papatay nga, binudukot ako.
asan ka? East side,
Nasa northwest na yun.
Okay, onti lang.
tayo, southwest naman tayo.
Deep na yan. Balik na.
Balik na kayo. Southeast, east. Unahan natin, may defensive ba? Kaya, once we engage, drop agad ng demons. Okay?
Sige.
Okay. Kamis. Lumok na.
Pick ako.
Sige lang. Kambakabit.
Beauty na, beauty.
Good reaction, boys. Tambak west. Yan yung sila muna. Defensive sa front.
Tayo ako.
Okay. Sa front. Look east, on ground in 3.
Engaging IE.
On me, hit, demon sa front, hit, good shit. Wala lang namatay, tampak west, northwest. Bigaw ko lang sa sige, northwest. Kiss and W's, man. Northwest. Keep distance lang. Kasi, pag
Nagiging dyan sila.
Southeast. Hammer, defensive.
Careful northeast, ha.
Northeast nga tayo. Northeast. Northeast, catch, northeast. In 3, and 2, and 1. On me, big. Damage. Nice one. West. Get ready defensive south. Come west. Yo, west. Come west. Get ready defensive south. And north. Come west. Keep walking west.
Engage IE, ha. Looking IE.
Keep walking west.
North, doctor nila.
Go south. Ready sa crown. Sa crown. Okay. Yeah. Kamba.
IEBC nga, IEBC. Careful north. IE wala na, ha. Papunta lang alam, south northwest. Iat ping.
Everyone,
Dismounted, ha. North.
Appeal.
Engaging.
Defensive sa south. Kamis lang. Look sa to.
Looking na IE, ha.
Move. And 1. On me. Good clap, boys.
Shallow. Engage IE.
Kami southeast. Kahit na southeast. Southeast. It's sa front northwest.
Pero depth ang natin matay, ha.
Kamis lang. Alisan nyo muna.
Video sa back. Engaging, ha. IE.
Defensive sa front. Counter in 3, and 2, and 1. Hit. Wala nang damage. Okay, come back east. How many party yung player yung nasa 2 and 3?
4 dead. 5 dead. May DPS pa. 10 na lang kayo sa party.
Dalawa lang namatay sa party. 13 pa tayo, 13.
Okay, hold lang. Spread konti.
Yung 13 di si Ray pa. Engage lang IE, ha.
Yung mga pick-off sila eh. Come west, nag-engage na.
Pagka-counter toss ka ba?
Get ready defensive lang.
Nag-engage sila.
Defensive. Good ready defensive. Kamis.
Pinus sila IE.
Defensive man, bomber.
Ay, hindi pala. Sorry. IE pala yung nasa northwest. My bad.
Easy lang.
Kala ko Good dun.
Going back na kami.
Good kay Duplo. Okay. How many zones are
Yeah,
there?
90A na lang AI ha, 90A na lang. 90.
Inching up sa north, west. Inching up.
Light lang.
Ay, daga.
Okay.
Yung bombers nila, hindi ko mamarkahan. Yung bridal.
Isitar yung banda nila. Kung kilala, wala damage yun.
Yung bridal.
Okay yung AI ha.
Yung pasmak.
Okay AI.
Come back. Good. Sige lang. Man, pakul nga ng demon.
Okay yung AI ha. Nag-engage siya.
Kaya ka nang Sige lang. Shallow sa mga tanks, ready. Shallow in 3 and 2 and 1. Just hit me. Hit me. May tao dito sa lobby. Ayun o. Okay, kambak. Patay niya na to.
Okay AI.
Tatasin niya.
Ready demon. Come back daw.
Kambak. Uy, saan sila?
Patay yung natin, ibang DPS ha.
Ay, no.
Later. Trigger.
May tatlong DPS pa sa patit.
Hold on.
mas important.
Ay, nabamba kayo. May bomber ba?
No, napipito sila isa-isa.
Pitas, tayo lang inaatake ha.
Sabay.
Tayo din inaatake ng AI ha. Sa atin na natin yung AI ha.
Tapos,
Okay. Okay lang yan. Tag team. Why not? Tag team sila, why not?
Reputasyon naman nila masisira.
Focus mo engage
Okay ha.
Gini.
Demon.
Counter in 3 and 2 and 1. On me. Hit.
Ingat sa press, engage up. Engage up.
Demon sa.
Engage sa press.
Back defensive sa front. Kill sa front. West. Okay, soak in nyo north. North tayo. Patay niya, no? Scam na to. Come on. No, come back lang. Spread lang. Defensive. On ground. Push. Wala nang engage. Push. In 3, and 2, and 1. Sa choke. Big. Delete. Good. Sige lang. Chemist. Stabilize lang. Man, careful sa choke. Ano yan? Nasaan sila? Careful guys sa chokes, man. Stabilize lang. Pangina, ano to?
Dito.
2v1 talaga to, man.
2 DPS sa party to mo or 2 DPS na lang.
Okay.
Nagtitake sila sa Nagtitake sila sa initial engage, tapos mag-engage sa atin.
Sige na yung bayad.
Mapapanabihan natin ha. 90A na lang tayo.
Kamis.
Sa atin na lang nakatingin yung mga yan.
Kaya nga eh.
Ayun ko ba?
Ano ba ba yan?
May rigger na sila ha. 12DA ni AI.
Dito na lang. Going back ako.
Galabat pa, kaya pa ba?
Kaya.
Wala na outlook ko. Babaan ko muna ako. May 20M na ako.
Back party to.
Gusto mo yan, Mac? Ipamount up yung brawlers. Hindi ko rin alam.
West. Bigyan natin kung ditang na west ah. Ditang na. Sa choke. Get ready. Choke. In 3, and 2, and 1. On me. Hit me.
Counter niya.
Come
Ready demon ha?
back.
Okay. Stingin sila sa loob.
Sa front west, may mga movement pa. Kill sa front west. Stabilize lang. Come back east.
Anong ilan pa ba demon yun? Type 1 nga. Demon.
Type 1 demon.
Dalawa.
Isa demon.
Demon.
Dalawa na lang.
Apat pa.
Apat pa. Buo pa.
Okay. Good pa.
Tabi kayo yung demon.
Kailangan lang mag-synchronize lang din yung demon.
Ikaw na to, boss Mac. Call mo. Patay lang kayo, Riggers.
Yo, careful lang. Yung mga pwesto nyo ganyan. Dahil alam nyo yung pwesto nyo ha. Kaya yan na naman kayo, inching up. Pag naklap, di nakaka-defensive.
Hindi ka palaban, boss Mac.
Get ready, headbutt tayo. Pag umengage sila, engage tayo. 3, and 2, and 1. Up. On me. Delete. Good. Delete sa front, Delete sa front. Patayin mo.
Execute, please, execute.
Nag-engage sa kanila, nag-engage sa kanila.
Nakita ko. Roll. Ano, dami luman, no? Ayun yung mataan. Looking yung northwest, defensive sa front. Demon nyo sa front. Kambak. Headbutt ulit. Okay. Headbutt ulit, ah. Looking na, defensive, Sasha.
Ay, sa'yo mag-root
One crown in 3, and 2, and 1. One crown. Hit. Okay. Kambak. Kambak. Ay, gago, wait lang. Naubusan ako pats nang loot lang ako. Wakey.
6 left sa
Ito kay Sasha meron, no?
Check ba natin? Ano pa?
Epats.
Ano tayo? Tuloy.
Hindi ulit tayo.
Ituloy lang to. Okay.
Zoning yung ano. Nag-portal na ako. 3 guys.
Ang hirap din kasi pag tayo yung nag-soak, kaya bila tayong pinag...
Looking ha.
Maganda.
Looking na northwest. Dito na eh. Gusto ko naman to.
Looking ka lang. Mark nyo.
Okay. Deep in 2 and 1 on me. Hit. Nice try. Yung mga nasa choke appeal. North side. Come on, deep, west. Soak tayo. 10 seconds engage ako. Roll. Gitna tayo. Engage yan. Push defensive sa front. Counter in 3, and 2, and 1. On me. Big. Come on, damage na naman.
Engaging sa
Defensive. Yeah. Healthy pa. Healthy. Kamis. Good kills. Good stop. Sayang yung initial engage. Ang laki-laki ng patch.
Hindi na ulit tayo.
Bebait ko lang makakalsa. Nag-engage na. Easy lang. Looking pa rin yung west side Kamis counter. Yan pa. Kunin nyo, akit kayo dito, east side. Alis kayo sa screen nila. 2 screen away.
Hindi tayo na.
Isa lang kayo.
14 hindi inali.
Ayaw mo baklanan yung isa. Madami kang bro.
Hindi naman sa ayaw hindi madali Nag-a-adjust Like, ikot pa tayo. Pwede naman tayo, ikot tayo. Dito try natin. Mount up. Try natin yung sinasabi.
Looking lang yung isang
Ano kayo? Takbo.
Akit dito. Follow sa akin. Lilikuran natin.
Kasi mahirap ang full push wala tayo na termit.
Counted ka na agad.
Dismount on me. Get ready to engage. Get ready. Catch. Catch. Toro, catch mo. Northeast side Northeast side na lang. Hold on. Defensive.
Nice.
Puta.
Patay yung donation ha.
Comes out.
Donation natin.
Paka-counter natin ang makalsa. Engage mo. Sige, comes out lang. Comes out. Ito sa choke in 3, and 2, and 1. On me.
Sa pick.
May damage ba? Comes out tayo. South muna. Hindi tayo
May damage. Di lang nagsising.
May galas kang mark. Defensive Baliw to, monggulo
Ayun, isa.
Patay.
Bukal.
Nagbabag yung ako mo. Wala akong skill sa araw mo.
Open mo yung map. Sir,
Southeast lang to. Bebate ko lang. Bebate ko to ah.
Sige nga. Ito, mas maganda pwesto natin. Pasabi pag pumasok sa area. Over the wall, careful. Over the wall, careful.
Okay nga. Over the wall. Engage na. Aggressive.
Okay, okay. On me, sa crown in 3, and 2, and 1. On me, hit. Damage. Tangsel, mga tangsel. Kaya? Okay. Approach nyo to, skull mark to. Ay, come back.
Scavenger looking.
Come back, looking sila. Come back. Umay naman, patagal naman nila.
Okay yung pwesto ko lang. Yan na, inching up initial engage. Looking at scavengers.
Parang mga tao doon. Jabated sila, oh.
Ito.
Look lang.
Oo. O yung ano.
Paset up
Pag
na
nag-engage yung... Sir.
Paset up
Yes,
na, oh. Paki-purge
Sige.
naman ng ano.
Ayun, choke po. Choke, ready choke.
Sip sa choke. Northwest, northwest in 3, and 2, and 1. On me. Puta na bitin. Come back. Careful. Looking na sila, looking na. Defensive back, defensive sa front. Good defensive.
wait, malay mo na. Initial.
Good defensive. Sige lang. Regularize lang.
Bata ba?
Ito ba doon, push na north. Ano na, come back south. Andyan na yung IE. Come back south. Careful sa blue. Batang ina, sayang.
BJ.
Biglang tumilip si IE. Gil sa front. Okay, gil sa front.
Sige lang.
Sige lang. Ayun lang sa front. Good.
Paglagay lang kayo ng ano, ng...
Kasi okay lang yun.
Nakakita nila eh. Itakla sa choke dun, hindi na makapag-engage yan.
Wait,
Bait ko ulit. Wala na team.
Nasa likod nila.
Nata sila na kayo.
Ang likod.
Ay, wala na.
Hindi lang.
Super na yung mga defenses neto.
Mag-north, isap ka lang.
Nahuli sila doon. BJ. Nice.
Okay.
Wala pumapasok sa ano.
Northwest in 2, and 2, and 1. On me. Hit. Get ready defensive, sa. Demon sa front. Good. Okay na. Asan si Agi? Malis na.
Malis na.
Ako mabasagan kayo. Okay. Tayo na lang pala, oh. Gago, kala ko naman.
5 minutes.
Tekosi.
Ilungkin natin sa baba yan para hindi sila ano.
5 minutes natin.
Fake mount mo.
North ID. Ay, hindi.
Dito yun. Shooter. Atcho. Bakit stop tick?
Napupull out na sila mga guys.
Partial hit. Down the chop. Partial hit kami, trouble.
Kunyari mount up. Fake lang.
Okay.
Uy, sinunod mo.
Okay. Sa choke.
Engage.
2, and 1. Sa choke. Hit. Okay. Push yung push. Stop them, oh. Push, stop.
Careful lang. Gigain kayo.
Sige lang. Healthy. Push tayo. Defensive. 10 seconds and ikaw. Push tayo. Keep pushing. Soak. Papasok tayo. 5 seconds. Ready. Sa crown. Sa choke. Sa door.
Wala ng demon.
And 1. Sa door. Hit. Good kill. May demons sa front. Defensive sa front. Demons. Healthy. Good shit. Another push. On crown. Ready, on crown. Deep. South. Inside. In 3, and 2, and 1. On me. Delete these motherfuckers.
Guards.
Okay. Come back. Good shit, boys. Defensive.
Pati yung isang ano nila. Off na ba?
Palabas mo muna.
Come out. Good shit. Galing nyo pumush. Defensive lang. Defensive lang.
Wala, natag ako. Bay.
Heal daw sa front. Asan siya? Heal, sinabi. Inside, come inside. Pass. In 3, and 2, and 1. On me. On Makalis.
Nag-engage yan.
Good shot.
Thank you.
Follow ka muna. May kidnap sila, man. May kidnap.
Oo, may kidnap. Dami.
Kidnap, soldier ko. Kidnap ka.
Engage.
Hindi ka ba? May demon saya. Let me know kung ready. Ready.
Ready din.
Okay. May bagi. Dito na. Good.
Repeat ulit.
Ade, out ulit tayo.
Kasi 3 minutes.
Panggap ulit tayo. Artista muna tayo.
Hindi kaya mag-double-OC?
Pwede din ako magpa-kidnap. Double OC man. Oo nga pala. Fake mount up. Fake cancelin nyo lang.
Check ka.
Cancelin niya ha. I-cancel niya yung family. Gago, wag mo. Cancel niya na yung channel. Tapos na, hindi. Pangit yung app.
Hindi maganda yung outing.
Pangit, man.
Hindi ko makagat, pre.
Wala kayo. Ayaw na siya. Okay, push. Ito yung bomber ah. Ay, pangin ako. Nakapangit yan.
Patayin niyo na yung tango.
Punish ito ang tapang oh. Kasi wala na nilya to. Badon.
Ay, di ba makapasok?
May badon.
Di mahal.
Di mo sa front. Push tayo in 3, and 2, and 1. Shallow. Hit. Skull mark. Hit skull mark. Come out.
Isang tower.
Defensive. Good shit. Push tayo. Kaya? Tara, push. 10 seconds ang isa. Brawl.
Guys, ulit ha. Generate yung
Yeah. Yeah. Defensive sa front ah. Yeah, push kami. Inside oh.
Jay na.
Inside. 2 seconds. Come back konti. Okay, on crown. Inside the Terry. Dito. Inside the Terry. 3, and 2, and 1. Inside deep. Ay, no. Demons. Cast demons. Pull sa front. Come back. Demon. Come back. Enig to be a Benig. Come back. Engage na sila. Defensive.
Ilang front.
Come out. Ano lang dito? Puro nyo lang. Napapanish ba kayo ng mobs? Papatay mo yung left. Mobs muna. Kill mobs. Come on, kill mobs.
Pag dito yung nasa northeast, pasok kayo. Yung mga nasa northeast, pasok kayo.
Okay man. Okay. Kill mobs lang.
Next, spread kayo northwest.
Yeah. Demon. On me in 3, 2, and 1. Hit doors. Nasa doors. Okay. Push notice. Push bombers.
Ang inang cheater, bobo.
Push.
Ina nyo ha. Puli kayo lahat.
Okay. Yung backline natin. Looking sila. Okay. Engage tayo. Fake na. May fake ako. Bomber. Going inside natin. Ay, di ba? Gusto natin yan, girl.
May face kill sandals pumasok sa atin.
Patay na yung mobs. Ito, mouse lang. Ito.
Ingards.
Okay. Yung problema dito eh. Okay. Bago yan na nila lumabas. Tara nga.
Gatak bakis.
Pagkaluan ko na engage. Wala. Second trouble. Give me some Sige.
Patayin nyo kayo dalawang inig.
Nag-grab sa akin. Kay Torch.
Ay, QW nga sa dalawang inig.
Ayaw. Looking si BJs. BJs.
Hero.
Make it convincing.
Oy, wag mo ipapin.
Make it convincing. Ito, engaging mo. Defensive. Okay, walk inside. Fast. Sa mage in 3, 2, and 1. On me, some fucking mage. Come on. Demon sa front. Kaya ba? Execute. Come back. Healthy na sila.
Hindi tayo makay.
Come back.
Di ba?
And saan?
Process yung last man.
Ayaw.
Sige lang, ate ako.
Looking. Defensive side.
Ay, waiting.
Yung balat ko Ako si Brad, Ninja Brad.
Yung mga guys, come northwest forward. Come northwest. Come northwest, guys. Get out. Spread on my northwest first. Spread on my northwest lang. We're gonna do one more engage before we go out. We're gonna do one more engage. Look at the shield, okay? Look at the shield. I'm gonna make them engage on me. Wait, chill. Chill lang. May pa-pull out na natin from northeast. From northeast muna. Pa-pull out natin. Stop. Northeast. Ilabas natin sila sa Terry. Terry, andyan na sila kumakapit eh. Be careful. Stay with me. Stay with the shield. Okay? Counter now. Come southwest. Walk in southwest. Pop boots, Giga. Giga. Southwest now. Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Drop it on me. Good delete. Nice shit. Now come back northeast. Step out. Northeast. Come northeast. They have engaged. Defense from the choke. Defense. Now southwest again. Southwest. Cool down. Southwest now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. On the shield. Wala. Okay. Northeast muna. Northeast. Sige, we're gonna pull them out. Kamis now.
Tumatabol tayo.
Sige lang. Kamis. D-tanks on my west.
Umabol sila.
D-tanks on my west. The one with
Papulang,
Royal
papulang.
Shoes. Bait them. On the choke. Try to bait them. D-tanks with Royal Shoes. Try to bait them. Tell me if they engage, Guys, if we call for fight, you pop boots, Giga. Okay?
Ingat ha.
Ayaw nila? Sige lang.
Ayun ako, BG.
Careful of the button.
Thank you.
Heal first, heal. One, W mo lang.
Kung na sa December.
Okay? Hold. Ay! Biluging? Am I biluging? No? You're also... Okay? Now, northwest. Top push Giga. Northwest now. West in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest. It's big. Come on. Delete this shit. Okay, go back. No, it's Kamis. Hold kayo, hold your skull. They might have engaged. They're in defense now. Defense. Push west. Run west now. I'm dead. Third corner, boy.
Kamis, everyone. Kamis. Sa place.
Walang engage. Sige.
Okay, walk west, everyone, walk west.
They have city now, they have city.
DMCD, sige, come back muna. Dito ako, hold their quest. Everyone, look on the color. Kita niyo yan? Itong look northwest, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on. Ito, inside muna. Come Get ready to
Sila, may bumabasa nila.
Walk up, keep walking. Patayin nyo nasa loob.
PW lang, patayan.
Stop northwest. Wait.
Hindi ka makita.
Pahinga lang. Papahinga nga, para ma-ashi, papasa party.
Nagkibi.
Ay, ingat, wait.
Nice one. Okay, walk to the choke. Walk inside the choke. Look inside the choke, ha. Guys, inside the choke, hindi sa is. Inside the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big.
Okay, wala DBS.
Okay, come down. Ditang sold. Isa the stress. Yung demon. Keep. Walking lang. Walking the spread the job. Walking southwest. Walking southwest, guys. Hello. Walking southwest. As in circle. Walking lang. Let's spread. Look south on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito.
Nandiyan ka pala, kala ko nandito.
Come on. Spread. They're looking. Come down, come down, come down, come down, come down, come down, come down. Come down, direct, come down, direct, come down, come down, come down, baba. Labas, 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 labas. Nice one. Sabres muna, sabres muna, sabres muna, sabres muna.
Pamark.
Hindi ka makikita, pre.
Pamark.
Kamay ka ako, papasa ka, bakit sandit?
Yeah, Ashley, papapart natin tayo dito, ano?
Trouble yung IGN, trouble. Mark trouble. Ayan, nag-exa north. HOD.
Ashley, yo, Ashley.
Ay, ito.
Ayun na naman mga cheater. Walang kadala-dala itong mga cheater na to.
Hey, please, Ashley.
Careful engage Joke lang.
Wait.
Ilang beses ako sila
West,
nag-build eh.
West. Fifake ako.
Spear calls.
Wala lang. Pagka wala ng slow. Fake lang. Now look west inside the choke. Ay, 4, 2, 1, now hit the choke. Come on.
Cheater sa west na face mo.
Okay.
Sige na, so.
Hold ka lang dito. Hindi mo kailangan mag-push out.
Hold the ground. Paging up, ready? We're going to soak this. Soak. Now walk in, walk west, guys. Walk west. Walk west. Ay, wait. Walk in. Look at the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito lang. Okay na.
Take space north west take space.
Okay, sige. Spread. Get ready to punch lang. Get ready to punch lang. Punch now. Dimot. Dito lang ka. Come like this.
May happy na din.
Kapis. Kibiling dapat. Guys, look at the choke. Look west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito.
Walkers, kita guns.
Kamis muna. Pakas daw.
Okay, defensive sa front. Okay, inside now, walk inside enemy. Inside. 3, and 2, and 1. Shallow walk. Okay, puro low na yan. Bago lang ang damage. Come back. Aray ko. Come back southeast. South. Everyone, stabilize.
Okay.
Stabilize around the ground. South.
Puro sa atin yung patay
South. Oy, one screen lang. Careful, looking na sila. Defensive sa front. Okay, full walk in. Kita yung gambado nila. On crown, ready in 3, 2, and 1. On me.
Ito ka doon.
Man, hit. Come south.
Si Rukosh.
Abilis na tayo, boss.
Putang na, may sariling laban yun. Inuna pa yung mga 4.1 eh. Tingin na naman.
Hindi, natulak ako. Hinila pala, sorry. You're looking na.
Ito yun, hayaan nyo na dito ang slon.
Mana, may mana ba?
Putang na, may mawawanit yung execute eh.
Nakakalok.
May puwan sa cheater eh. I need you to focus, man. Hanggang bukas na lang dito. Okay, ready defensive sa front. Full walk in agad. Watch nyo, stop.
May hindi ba mga southwest side?
Okay. Southwest defensive. Okay, shallow on Magans in 3, and 2, and 1. Ami, big. Execute.
Yellow.
Wala. Okay, come back. Spread, hug walls. Defensive, looking na sila. Defensive. Kumake lang. Defensive. Okay, on me. Jeep mo ba to? Okay.
Ekram na lang ila.
No,
Aray ko.
naman.
Meron pa.
Dala lang muna.
Huwag na kayo mag-ring.
Naka-jeps na ako, di ba pala takot? Play meeting.
Looking. Nasa body ko. Ito yung badon. Ito na.
Saka nag-look. Engage doon.
Okay. Come south.
Right is west side.
Yun nga ito kay Toro. Lalim eh. Lalim mo siya. Lalim
Nila ako.
Defensive sa front.
Silbakan.
Crown. Kahit lang. Stabilize. Sa crown ha. Ready. In 3, 2, and 1. Hit me. Just hit me. Okay. Back. May heal pa sa front.
Gagi, 2 screens away na iba. One screen away.
Bago patay na ako. Run nyo na.
Kami is endbound up.
Pa-hold mo na sa ditang. Ditang, pag nyo na lang sa kayo DPS para minus yung ano.
Iniwan yung crown, paldo.
Wag nyo layo